you pray at home, you're not alone. Okay, so even if you're not surrounded by rows of people, you're certainly not alone. And Sa'id al-Musayyib radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he narrates that no one goes into prayer even if they're on waterless, desolate land, ardi fala, which we'll talk about. But you're praying all alone, except that an angel would pray to your right, an angel to your left, and angels would pray behind you. Amthalul jibal, angels the size of mountains are praying behind you. Can you imagine? You're entering into salah, you're entering into prayer in your bedroom, in your living room, in your, in your dining room, your office, wherever it is, and you think it's just you. And there are angels the size of mountains that are praying behind you as you're saying Allahu Akbar. Wouldn't that cause you to think a little bit more, instead of going alhamdulillah, to actually think about the way that you're reciting and to take more seriously the moment? Obviously, the most serious element of it is that you're standing before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But as you're standing before Allah, you have these angels the size of mountains that are praying behind you. And there is something special to praying alone and what that denotes in terms of ikhlas, in terms of sincerity. And so you find these two hadith, one of them from Abu Sa'id al-Khudri radiallahu anhu, that the Prophet ﷺ said that the prayer in congregation, the prayer in jama'ah, is like 25 times the individual prayer. And then the Prophet ﷺ said, and salat that is in falah, in the middle of nowhere, okay, which is the best way I think you can translate falah, in the middle of nowhere, is like the prayer of 50 times the reward. Okay, so it's like twice the reward of the jama'ah. When you're on a journey or you're traveling and you stop at a rest area, or you're praying, in a place that's really, foreign, that's away, and you're doing that out of sincerity, and it's just you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? It's a very profound expression of that sincerity. And Allah will not let you pray alone, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will surround you with angels the size of mountains that would pray with you, and Allah would announce to another group of angels that He has forgiven you for your sins and entered you into paradise.